Hi friends, welcome to channel DintoyKids. Today we learn letter B words. B is for bat. B is for bee. B is for balloon. B is for bridge. B is for bell. B is for butter. B is for box. B is for book. B is for bull. B is for boxer. B is for ball. B is for bear. B is for button. B is for bed. B is for Bible. B is for banjo. B is for biscuit. B is for bicycle. B is for boot. B is for basket. B is for butterfly. B is for banana. B is for bag. B is for bread. B is for bird. B is for boat. B is for boil. B is for van. B is for bakery. B is for bank.